been watching us. I can't pick up where he is. Geez, this is good here. Yeah. Look at some of these houses they've built. I'll keep an eye out for other traffic too, eh? Coogee Beach. Busy down there. Look at Hardwood Beach, mate. It's chockers.
Yeah. Little yachts out here sailing.
Oh yeah, yep. God. I think I'm better off up here, I think, than down there. I know it'd be nice down there. There's the stain. Already packed the tent up, I think. If there's anyone on the lookout to wave to us.
Don't understand why we're not hearing anybody on the radio.
Can you call for a radio check or?
Oh, I don't want to because
information golf, runway 1. Circuit train, frequency 1.
I'll just make a radio call.
Okay.
All stations, Victor 1.
Cessna southbound in Victor 1, Mr. Call sign, sorry, it's Juliet Alpha Tango here. We're at Cape Banks, just north of Cape Banks, northbound at 500 feet. You said you're at 1,500 feet. I assume that's wrong.
No, at 500 feet. We're at 500 feet and we are now right abeam south head.
Yeah, that sounds better. What was your call sign then, sir?
Delta India Quebec.
Delta India Quebec. Okay, we're at Maroubra now, northbound, Juliet Alpha Tango.
Okay, we'll hang out a little bit off the coast, give you room to go by between us and the cliffs.
All right, Juliet Alpha Tango, we'll stick in close.
Yeah, that's good. How'd you like to live on the edge of one of these places, right on the cliff face?
Yeah.
You wouldn't want a fault line between you and the water, would you?
No, you wouldn't.
Oh, look at Bondi, mate, it's chockers.
Keep an eye out for this other aircraft coming, he's going to pass on your side.
Okay. He was at Maroubra, wasn't he?
Yeah. Put my nav lights and everything on for him.
God, mate, look at Bondi, mate, that is...
Yeah.
Like a sardines are on the beach. Wonder why the lifesavers get bit.
Delta India Quebec is abeam Bondi right at this moment.
Delta India, Quebec, Juliet Alpha Tango. We're just approaching the south head of the Bondi Beach vicinity. You're not tracking really close into the beach, are you?
No, you're right. I've got you sighted. You're inside us.
Okay, thanks very much.
There he is coming past there.
Oh, I got him, yeah. It's very hard to see, isn't he?
Yeah.
Delta India, Quebec. Thanks very much. Juliet Alpha Tango, we're past.
Moody.
It is moody too, yeah. Yeah, couldn't see him at all.
No, pretty hard.
Look at these little beaches. Coogee.
Coogee's the one with the island in it. Yeah, that's it.